Hello, writers, and welcome to Writing Workshop for November 12th, 2020. The materials you will need for today are your final copy and a partner to be your audience. You may also want to have your reading journal and a pencil just in case you have any notes you want to take. If you don't have these supplies, go ahead and press pause, collect them, then come back to press play. Okay, now that you're back with your materials, let's move on to our objectives for today. I will review the ways to share your letter. We will recognize how an author presents their work to an audience, and then you will practice presenting your letter aloud to a partner at home. Let's review the tips on how to present. When you present a work, you want to express the main idea. Make sure the point of the presentation is clear. Look at the audience. Make eye contact. Eye contact brings people into your presentation and keeps them involved. You want to speak clearly and loudly. Make sure people can hear you and understand you. If you speak too softly, someone may not be able to understand you or hear your points and your main ideas. You need to use natural body language. Do not be stiff or mechanical. Smile and use your hands whenever you talk. You'll want to avoid informal language or slang. Speak formally so that you are knowledgeable about the topic at hand and so that other people can understand what you're trying to get across and the points you're trying to express. These are different sharing options whenever you present a work. You could read the letter aloud to your class. You could also make a recording of yourself reading the letter. You could add music and add sound effects even. You could make a video, use a voiceover to read your letter, but include images that shows travel in the 1850s related to your questions. What are some other ways that you could share your work? You could write down your ideas on other ways to share your work in your writing journal. Okay, did you think of any other ways to share your work? Good. I want you to take some time today to practice your presentation. You will be recording a Flipgrid for presenting your letter tomorrow. However, I want you to choose someone at home that you can practice presenting to today. Take some time to look over your letter. Practice all the tips on how to present and present your letter at home to someone. It can be more than one person as well. Remember, this is practice for the video that you will be presenting tomorrow, so do your best. Before I let you practice, I want to congratulate all of you on your grit in finishing your letters. I know it's not easy, but you all deserve a lot of credit for having worked so hard on your writing and finishing your correspondence. Go now to practice what you've done so far.